matapos sa kanyang sinasabi. So, napunta kami ngayon ng airport guys kasi sasalubungin namin yung kaibigan ni Dimitri, kababata niya sa Russia, si Maxim. This is not his first time here sa amin, dito sa Philippines kasi nakapunta na siya dito last year. I think hindi pa ako nag-start mag-vlog noon or hindi ko na-upload yung vlog na magkasama kaming tatlo sa Bohol, sa Cebu. Pinasyal namin siya last year. Pero nung time na nagpunta siya dito last year, sobrang maulan. It was wet days, rainy days in Philippines. Wet season, rainy season here in the Philippines. So hindi siya masyadong nag-enjoy sa aming mga pinasyalan kasi nga sobrang ulan. Lalo na dito sa Negros Oriental nung mga time na yun, maulan. So ipapasyal namin siya ulit sa yung mga pinuntahan namin. Hindi siya na-enjoy kasi summer ngayon at for sure magugustuhan niya. Si Maxim is your childhood friend, yeah? From your first friend ever? What? How old were you when you became friends?
I have only friends before, like neighbors. So
You're also. He's also your neighbor?
No, I mean he like first, if I not include neighbors, like.
First friend from other town
Yeah.
or from other
But
district?
he also from Astrakhan and from city.
You're from the same city,
Yeah,
but
he
they're from the same city guys, pero nasa medyo malayo-layo yung bahay nila.
20 years well.
Siya yung first friend ni Dimitri at pinakamatagal niyang kaibigan actually. What about this guy with family already in Russia? Ruslan?
No, I meet him
Later after
But
Maxim?
few years later.
Yeah.
Later.
So siya yung pinakaunang kaibigan ni Dimitri na na hindi niya kapitbahay. Meron siyang mga kaibigan before, mga kapitbahay niya, pero si Maxim yung pinakauna niyang kaibigan na hindi niya kapitbahay at siya yung pinakamatagal niyang kaibigan na 20 years, 25 years. 20 years niya kaibigan. Na-meet ko na si Maxim sa Russia din. First time ko siya na-meet dun sa Russia nung nagpunta kami sa Russia. At nung binisita niya kami dito sa Philippines last year. Maybe he's still there. Oh, he already go out. We're still waiting there. Mga 10 minutes ago, tumawag siya. Sabi niya, dumating na daw yung airplane. Akala namin nakasakay siya ng airplane para sa ibang lugar. Nandito pala siya sa loob. Let's go! Uncle Sim is there.
Uncle Sim.
No, Uncle Max.
Uncle Max? Let's go check Uncle Max.
Uncle Max is here. Gonna meet Papa. Uncle Max is Papa's friend.
Let's go up.
Wait sa... There is Uncle Max.
Uncle Max. Down. Let's go. Uncle Max.
Scary. Привет! Привет! Say hi! Привет! Punta kami ng Jollibee kasi si Yuri gusto mag-Jollibee. Si Maxim, na-miss daw niya ang Jollibee dito kaya sa Jollibee kami mag-breakfast. You've been thinking Jollibee every day in Russia? Since you left the Philippines last year?
When I woke up, first
thing.
Mama. No, it's Papa's friend. Mama, it's Papa's
Я
friend.
видел такие. One more shot. It's so
This is burger steak. This is yummy. This is spaghetti, Jollibee spaghetti. Oh, we don't have spoon and fork. Wait,
for women's.
Ну, такое.
we're here at Chosen's Cafe in Valencia Negros Oriental, guys. Look at the view! Isn't that amazing? Very beautiful. Wow. It's usually very cold here. Pero ngayong araw ay mainit. Mainit na dito. Ang ganda, di ba? You go swing together. Look at his eyes.
Конечно. И там сзади
Oh, mas fresh dito sa kanilang kubo.
Another swing. Where's the another swing?
You want to swing?
Another
Go swing. This one, that one. Yeah. Beautiful. Ang cute ng kambing. Gusto ko rin ng kambing. Bili siguro ako ng kambing. Magkano kayang kambing ngayon? I ordered mango shake and the guys are having native coffee. May bago ng friend si Yuri. Hi! What's your name? Shello? What about you, Huya? What's your name? What's the name of your doggies? What are the names of your doggies? Pruvo? Hmm? Bonbo? Unsa ngalan na ni?
Bun.
Brun? Katoosa?
Panda.
Panda? We also have a dog at home.
Like dog, mama.
You like dog? Yeah. Where is your dog? Where is your dog, Yuri? Sabi ni Yuri kanina, I also have dog at home there in our White House. Baka. Sabi ni Yuri, may aso din daw siya sa bahay. Baka ang pangalan. They're so cute. They love dogs.
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing. Look.
What is that? Napawaw si Yuri dito. That's not a trampoline. That's a bird's nest. Do you want to go there? Do you want to go there?
Go down and go jump high. Ready?
It's going down. Sleeper?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I guess my sleep.
Wait, I will bring you sleeper. I'll get you sleeper.
Mama, okay.
There you go.
Here you go.
2.
3, 4, 5. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, whoa.
So amazing. Sabi ni Yuri, wow, so amazing. Do you wanna go in there? Go up? I'll help you, I'll help you. I'm gonna help you. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Careful, careful. You have to go down. Jump. Wow!
Mama,
Hmm?
check the mama.
Moo! Punta tayo sa mga baka kasi gusto ni Yuri puntahan ang mga baka. Tawag niya sa baka Mumu. Yuri, that's not Mumu.
Baby mama.
Baby Mumu. That's not Mumu. That's cow.
Baby cow.
Baby cow, that's right.
That's mama.
Be careful. You remember the cow, Lemlem's cow attacked you? Did you remember that? He's scared. It's okay, come here. It's okay, it's just a baby cow. Come here. Just don't get very near. Only here, watch. Watch only here. You want to say hi? Say hello. Hello, baby cow. I'm also a baby. I'm also small like you. Don't be scared. Let's go. Come here.
Hey, Dad. Dad.
Fine. It's fine. See?
I'm touching you.
It's okay. Okay, let's go. It's so hot here. Let's go. Yuri is so cute with his goggles. Do you like it? Are you ready to swim later? It's for later. We'll go to swimming pool. Ayan, ang gift ni Yuri. Gift ni Uncle Max for Yuri galing sa Russia. Russian police car.
Galing, galing.
Galing. And goggles. And this one, life vest.
Yeah, no, it's for mine.
It's for you, yeah, I know.
Construction.
Construction, no, it's life vest for swimming.
Construction.
And we have some chocolates. Russian chocolates. Yum. Show me, Yuri. Show me. Baka will destroy that. Yun si Yuri, ayaw nang tanggalin ang kanyang goggles. Yuri, may binili pa kaming foam ice box, guys. Kasi nasira yung ref namin. Ang ref namin, kailangang...
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, Coca-Cola. Ang ref pala namin, guys, nasira yung... Ano ya? Anong tawag doon? Compressor? Yeah, I think compressor. Kailangan siyang palitan ng bago. O, orderan pa siya ng bagong compressor sa Manila. Kasi sa Manila yung Samsung. Nandun lahat yung mga parts nila. So maghihintay pa kami na maayos to. Hindi nga kami bumili ng mga karne. Marami kasi. Kasi nga ay wala kaming ref. Diyan na lang namin nilagay yung mga ano namin. Lunch time.
Хотел вроде все так рядом здесь, а все так по-разному.
Chooks to go and buckwheat. Try the chicken.
Да, давай курочку. Итак,
Если меня будете вдвоем снимать сразу, то это, конечно, достаточно нервно.
What's your favorite part? Yeah, this one is good.
Leg.
That's not leg. That's wings. Arms. Wings.
Ручку есть.
да, на это.
So sweet.
Очень вкусно. Очень вкусно. Разрешите снимать, дайте понять.
Вкусно.
Ваше очень вкусно.
You kidding?
Нет, вообще нет. I'm serious.
Let's take a nap because we're gonna go swimming later.
We're gonna go
Yeah, we're gonna go to the swimming pool. You want to go to the swimming pool and swim?
swimming, Mama.
Yeah, later this afternoon. Because it's still very hot now, very hot.
Mama.
Later, no. So, ayan na, we're here. Nasa swimming pool, guys. 450 pala ang bayad dito, guys. 450 kung maliligo ka ng swimming pool. Pero yung 250 pesos, consumable siya. Ayan. Walang ibang tao, kami lang. Ito yung restaurant na lagi namin kinakainan. Malapit lang to sa aming bahay. Mga nasa 3-5 minutes drive pababa sa aming bahay. First time naming mag-swimming dito. Yan si Yuri, sobrang enjoy si Yuri sa kanyang mga bagong gamit pang swimming, goggles at saka life vest. Sobrang happy siya. At medyo maginaw. Actually, ang tubig, mainit-init yung tubig. Maligamgam ang tubig. Pero pag hindi ka nakababad, maginaw na. Nag-order ako ng hot choco. Bolognese. Pwede na ni dalon na. Thank you. Salad. Wala pa gani. Again.
А мне, видишь, даже сахар отдельно.
Again.
Я всегда так прошу. Мы тут постоянные клиенты.
Jump again.
А что такое? Каламанси
Yay.
горячий.
Alright guys, we're going home now. Kasi, 7 p.m. Hanggang 7 p.m. lang sila dito. At open sila at 9 a.m. in the morning. Up to 7 p.m. Yurchik Jr., did you enjoy swimming?
No, sweetheart.
Did you enjoy swimming at the pool?
Yeah, I jump. I jump again.
You jumped many times, yeah?
I jump.
Yay.
I jump.
Okay, we'll be right back here another day. Wow, ang ganda ng moon, guys. Sobrang laki. Wow. Magandang araw, everyone. Papunta kami ngayon ng Sipalay, Negros Oriental. Papasyal namin si Maxim doon. Tapos yung kaibigan ko nandito din, kasama siya. Si Zach at si Marilyn. Yuri, can you sit down? Sit down with me. Sit down with me, please. Bakulap. First stop over namin dito sa Saturi Cliff, dito sa Basay, Negros Oriental. Maliligo sila Dimitri dito sa may cliff, mag-jumping daw sila. So, from here, siguro mga 1 hour na lang din papuntang Sipalay. Si Yuri ay napaka-excited mag-swimming. Nagbibihis pa nga si Dimitri doon at tsaka yung kaibigan niya. So, this is Saturi Cliff. Tag 40 pesos ang entrance ng adult. And 50 pesos for parking fee sa sasakyan. Let's go down there kasi nandun yung mga gazebo nila. Nandun yung pang jumping na platform. Wow! Sabi ko ayokong maligo pero high tide. Parang sarap maligo. Sobrang blue ng tubig. Mag snorkeling sila. Oh yeah, there's a boat. A fisherman boat. So ito yung tinatawag nila ditong Saturi Cliff. Cliff talaga siya. Si Dimitri, gustong-gusto niya dito kasi gusto niyang mag-jumping-jumping kasama yung kaibigan niya. Maganda din naman dito mag-jumping-jumping, mag-snorkeling, langoy-langoy. Kaso sobrang napakainit. Hindi siya convenient para sa mga bata. Medyo delikado siya. Delikado talaga siya sa mga bata kasi cliff nga siya. Doon na lang kami sa beach ng Sipalay maliligo ni Yuri. Maliligo si Yuri siguro with Dimitri mamaya dito. For a while lang. Wait for Papa, baby. Check muna ni Dimitri yung lalim. Kung gaano kalalim bago sila mag-jumping-jumping. Kasi maraming bato. Mabato. Sobrang mabato talaga dito. Wavy! Nag-stop kami mag-swimming kasi natakot ako sa alon. Medyo malakas yung alon dun. Kaya punta kami sa iba. Punta na kami ng Sipalay. Mas maganda ang beach dun kasi sandy. Hindi ganito na mabato. Sobrang tutulis ng mga bato dito. Nakakatakot. Yeah, we're gonna go. Mama will go shower and change, and then we're gonna go to the big swimming pool. Bye! Thank you! Sobrang bait ng may-ari. Napaka-welcoming niya. So friendly. So, dito na kami sa Sipalay. Nandito kami sa may sa food park nila. Pipili lang kami ng makakain. Follower. May follower pala ako dito. Cedric. So, ito yung food park nila dito. Sobrang dami ng mga choices na pagpipilian dito. Iba't ibang mga. Pero usually sila mga food nila dito is grill or seafood. Excuse. Wow, dako ka ayo. This is your blue marlin. This one is the one good for and that one. Okay. Time to eat. Wait, sa. Let's go find. Still hot now. You can see later. Tapos na kaming kumain doon. Tapos na kaming mag-lunch, guys. Sobrang anghang yung seafood na nakain namin. Okay naman siya, yung mixed seafood, hindi ko siya i-recommend. Kasi parang sobrang tamis ng timpla nila. Yung shrimp gambas naman, masarap. Tsaka yung blue marlin na grilled, masarap. At lakad-lakad kami dito sa beach. Ayun, oh, may mga fisherman dito.
Let's go.
May mga fisherman na dumating. Maliliit na isda. You cannot swim here yet. We go to the swimming pool. You swim there at the swimming pool. Swimming pool.
Mama, I want to go back here.
Because we need to go to our hotel. Doon kami sa aming hotel mag-swimming. May swimming pool. May swimming pool doon. Tapos meron ding beach in front. Maganda din dito.
Touch space, Mama. I want to touch space.
No, we have to go to our hotel now. Let's go.
No, let's go there.
We have to go to our hotel.
I want to.
We will swim there at the pool there. They have a very nice big swimming pool. Sobrang init pa. Sa orasa ron. 4 p.m. pero sobrang init pa dito. Sakit sa mata yung sikat ng araw. So punta kami ngayon sa aming kahugaw sa Concapela. Punta kami doon sa aming hotel kasi may swimming pool sila doon. May swimming pool. Doon kami mag-swimming. Malapit doon sa beach. Ng hotel namin.
Mama, spaghetti.
You are the spaghetti boy.
Mama, spaghetti. Mama,
Ito
spaghetti.
dagay-day. So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa aming hotel na istehan dito. Nakalimutan ko pangkalan, but sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya. Dito to sa Hinubaan, boundary to ng Hinubaan at Sipalay. I'm here sa boundary ng Hinubaan at Sipalay. So, itong part na to belong to sa Hinubaan. Ayan, may welcome drinks, juice. Tapos ito yung room namin ni Marilyn, si Dimitri at si Max dun sa kabila. Ang sobrang ganda kasi yung room, sobrang napaka-spacious niya. Tapos may 3 bed. Isa, dalawa, tapos dito may pangbata. Even not bata, pwede din ako dito. Ayan, 3,500 ang bayad namin dito per night. Isang gabi lang kami mag-stay kasi bukas balik na kami doon sa bahay sa amin. Yung CR, sobrang napaka-spacious niya, guys. And I think it's really a good price. No, sobrang napaka-spacious. Tapos, may ano ba sila dito? Swimming pool pa sila dito. 2 swimming pool. Maganda. Maganda yun dito sa labas. Tapos, may beach dito. Doon sa malapit sa swimming pool. Front ng hotel ay beach na. Ang ganda. So, ito yung balcony. May balcony pa nga dito. Tapos, room namin. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo yung kila Dimitri at Max. Dito sila sa next room. This is it.
A short No camera. No camera.
No camera allowed. Ito yung room nila. Same lang sa amin din. Yeah. 3,500 per night din. Okay, bye-bye. Punta tayo sa beach mamaya. Mag-swimming kami, magbihis mo na. Sa bukas ng umaga silang Dimitri, mag-a-island hopping sila. Kami ni Marilyn, dito lang kami. Ayaw namin sumama kasi may mga bata. Dito lang kami sa swimming pool. May beach din naman dito. Swimming pool at beach. Nakalimutan kong i-mention, guys. Ano pala to? 3,500 per night. And then, free breakfast na siya. Sobrang ganda, di ba? Napakamura na. I think napakamura niya sa ganitong kwarto na sobrang spacious. Malaki yung bathroom. Tapos, tatlo pa ang bed. Let's go swimming! Ayan na, mag-swimming na kami guys kasi sobrang excited ni Yuri. Let's go swimming! Dire na sila mag-chinilas. Yeah, we're ready to swim! We're so ready! Let's go to their first swimming pool. Ito yung first pool nila. Dalawa yung pool nila dito. Sabi ni Max, mas maganda daw dito. Ah, mas maliit dito. Mas maganda dun. Malaki. Sa kabila. Muni pang bata dire? Ah. Wait, Yuri, wait. I think this is for the, ano. This one is for the kids. Murag mas lalom dito. Mas malalim dun sa isang swimming pool. Huh? Let's check the second swimming pool here. Ah, mas dako ang area sa pangbata diri day. Dili, naay dakong area pangbata. Aw, lalom di ay. Okay raman. Diri ta. Ah, mas ganahan ko dire. Tsada ang view dire. I like it here more.
Mama, let's swim that.
Mas ganahan ko dire. Tsada ang view. Makita to dire sunset.
Go swim, Mama. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go swim. Kumukulog, parang uulan.
I can see a shark.
You can see?
I can see a shark
Okay,
in the pool.
okay, you jump now. Come on. I'll make a
A
video.
shark in the pool. There.
You saw a shark? Yay! Such a brave boy. Yuri, you're such a brave boy. You hold your breath.
And let's go there.
Pwede natin.
Go, Yuri! Si Yuri, gustong-gusto niya talagang jumping. Let's go! Kanina pa yan, nag-dive. Ay, nag-jumping dyan. 1, 2, 3, go! Tawag niya dyan, scuba diving. Yuri, you like scuba diving? Tawag niya sa jumping, ganyan. Scuba diving. Oh. he even now holds his breath underwater. He knows how to hold it. I think it's time to teach him how to swim. He can learn now very
You want
fast.
to swim to mama yun?
Come here, swim.
Dive to mama. Dive. Scuba
He's
dive.
trying to put
Okay.
his ears like that with water. Maybe no need, maybe too much. He's gonna get sick.
I see a shark.
He said, I see a shark.
I see a Grayson.
You see, you saw Grayson? No, that's not Grayson, that's Zaki.
With me.
With niece. you saw Zaki's niece?
Where? There.
Tawa, nagsalom-salom na siya giyahaday. Gusto niya yung, si Yuri gusto niya yung
Try to close your nose when you dive.
you have to close your mouth and nose.
Yeah.
No, not mom.
No. Okay, you hold your breath now, come on.
No.
Only me.
Okay, only you.
Only you.
Ready, set, go.
Go.
Oh, wow.
Papa.
Wow. His ears maybe with water.
Ah.
You maybe try to help him. Yuri, careful, baby. Yuri, careful.
Papa, wait for me.
Wait for me.
Oh. Wait for me.
Do not run.
Jump.
Do not run.
I want to jump again. I want my
Yuri.
I want a lot.
Yuri,
I want a lot.
Yuri,
I want a lot.
Yuri.
Mama.
I want a lot.
Okay, jump.
Papa.
We'll catch you.
Oh.
No. Go. Jump! We're gonna catch you.
Jump just at me.
You jump on your chest.
Look. I throw you. Let's throw you want? It's okay. It's really fun. Раз, два.
Where's Yuri? Naligo?
Okay with you.
Nye, 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 nye. Yuri. No, ha? That's our tinola.
Единственное, что...
Bon appetit.
Thank you so much. Единственное, что я думаю, вот соли не хватает.
Alright, we're done having our dinner, guys. We're back here in our room. Pero si Yuri, gusto niya na dito din matulog ang kanyang papa. Hindi siya nakakatulog pag wala ang papa niya sa tabi. Wala ako or wala yung papa niya. Dapat nasa middle talaga siya namin. Gusto niyang nasa middle siya. Pwede naman dito yung papa niya. Kaso, medyo maliit itong bed na to actually. Mas dako lagi ni Imo dai. Pareha na. Pareha na dai. So, see you tomorrow, guys. Let's continue this video tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow, everyone. See you tomorrow, guys. Uy. Your chick. So sleepy na si Yuri, guys. Wala siya sa mood kasi gusto niya ang papa niya nandito din.